Hey guys, welcome back to Furniture Tech. Today I'm going to show you how to fix a sagging sofa with serpentine springs. That's a lot of S's. For less than 20 bucks. Let's get to it. For those who do not know, this is a serpentine spring because of the shape of it. Front to back, stretched under a lot of pressure. If these break, they're going to curl under and go through your dust cover. I've already cut the dust cover off, obviously, so you can see what I'm about to do here. Quick note, if you hear a noise in your sofa when you sit down on one side, it's probably this. Hitting. Easy fix, just bend it back, out the way. This is the proper way to fix a sagging sofa. But you have to have a certain kind of tool, which I have one, and these clamps and the wire. You gotta run it from left to right. I'm about to show you. 20 bucks. Much easier to fix than all this. A lot quieter too. Nylon zip ties. Easy way to fix a sagging sofa. Put it around here. Of course, you know how to put a zip tie together. Let's go across here. Give a little more stability. Just that easy. Give it a little bit so it doesn't. Much easier than all this. You can go as many as you want to. I've already done several over here, so you can see how I did it. It's kind of an angle. This does give it a lot more support when you're sitting on it. Add as many as you want to. Keep on going. I went from here to here, so I'm going to go from here to here. Put them on, pull them tight. Just that simple. Cut them off. About $25 to a pack. It's about $18 at Lowe's, Home Depot. Here, around this one, you want to go from the edge to the outside edge there, a little more support. You know where you sit, so put them where you need to have a little more support at. Your favorite seats over there, put them all over there. If you want to do the entire sofa, it's up to you. But it's just that easy. It's just a wire tie. In the South, we call them zip ties. Just that easy, guys. Like I said, add as many as you want to. Whoa, see ya. All right, guys, there it is. A simple fix, more like a hack. Easy to add some more support to your springs to give it a little more support where you need it at. No one's ever going to see this, so don't worry about it. There you go. Simple fix. Hope it worked for you. If you liked it, subscribe and like the video. Thank you guys. Appreciate it.